I am teacher Stephen.
I'm teacher Kevin.
And today we're talking about personal growth and marvelous me. So we're looking at all the things that make you, you. Okay. So first things first, let's discuss what is the meaning of marvelous, the word marvelous. Now you can see the first part of the word, marvel. It's very famous. I think you know the movies, the Avengers. What do you think the word marvelous means? What is the meaning of the word marvelous?
See all the superhero, think about your favorite superhero in Marvel, what he does and why. What do you think? Why is it like this?
Now, what do you think the word means? Is it a good word, a bad word? Does it mean exciting, fun, happy? Does it mean sad, crying? What do you think it means? Take 1 second and think about it now. Okay. So the meaning of the word is being or doing something extremely good. So some examples. He's done a marvelous job of the painting. He did a good job. He did an excellent job. It was marvelous.
And the second one, from the house there was a marvelous view from the sunset.
Yeah. And a synonym for the word marvelous is wonderful. A synonym is any word that means the same thing. So other synonyms could be excellent, great, fantastic. There are many synonyms for this word.
I can say like, Teacher Stephen, you're such a marvelous teacher.
This is true. Alright, let's go on. So, today's lesson is marvelous me. This is the purpose. So, we're learning how to talk about yourself using adjectives and how to express your hobbies and interests. Okay. So, we will learn about marvelous me to be able to follow various events in daily life and choose to receive information appropriately for learning, then use logic to explain solutions of problems in daily life by writing to give data about yourself, your friends, your families, and matters around you. Okay, let's begin.
Let's see the vocabulary. So this is the vocabulary with adjectives. So adjective is a word to use to describe a person,
A place,
a place, school,
or Thailand.
or a thing. So key can be many things.
So, some of the words we're going to teach today, you might have seen some of them already. Well, definitely the first one. The first one is marvelous. Marvelous. You can see how many syllables that word has. Marvelous. The second word is?
The second one is ambitious. So ambitious. It's like
If somebody is ambitious, they have a goal and they are very driven to get that goal, to get the thing done. If you are ambitious, maybe you want to be a doctor or a lawyer sometime in later life. Okay, next word is attentive. 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 And that means you are paying attention, like all students should. Every teacher wants an attentive student, a student who listens and watches the lesson.
Be careful.
The next one?
The next one is easygoing. So easygoing.
Yeah, and if somebody is easygoing, they are relaxed, they do not stress or get angry easily, they are relaxed.
It doesn't mean to sit like this and easygoing, huh?
Just to be a pleasant, easy person, not difficult. Okay, next word is confident. 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 If you are confident, you are sure of yourself, you are brave and not shy. Okay.
And the next one, the last one, happy-go-lucky. So happy-go-lucky. Happy-go-lucky.
And that means if you are happy-go-lucky, you are an easygoing person, that's part of it. You are usually quite happy and cheerful. You are not grumpy and sad all the time. You are happy-go-lucky. Now that is more of an idiom than an adjective.
Are you happy-go-lucky?
Yeah, I think so, I am. Okay, next word, or next slide, sorry. So who do you live with currently. Now this is an exercise. We want you to pause the video in 1 minute. We will tell you when. And just write down or draw a picture if you like, all the people who live in your house. So you will say me, mum, dad, brother, sister, granny, granddad, anything like this, and use one of the adjectives we have just learned to describe them. So you will say me, I am easy-go-lucky. My dad is ambitious. My grandmother is marvelous. So use one of those words to best describe your family members.
You can even describe your dog or your cat. You can say, my dog is active, or my cat is very active.
My hamster is ambitious. My hamster wants to rule the world.
You have a
He
hamster?
is ambitious. No, I don't. Just an imaginary hamster. Okay, so take 2 minutes now. Pause the video, please, and finish that exercise. When you have finished, unpause the video and watch on. Okay, we'll wait for 1 second. Okay, next slide. So another exercise using adjectives. And here you can see on this side, we have a few more adjectives. Those are courageous, means brave. Direct, you don't talk a lot, you just say what you mean and say it quickly. Easygoing, you know this one. And focused, you are not distracted. When the teacher gives you a job, you do the job and you do not talk and mess around all the time.
We are focused to see that you are
focused. So take a minute again, pause the video, and describe yourself using these adjectives or any different adjectives you can think of.
And try to make a sentence like you can say, I am active at school and I am easygoing at home.
Yeah. Pause the video now. And let's go on to the next slide. Okay, third exercise. Here you have 5 minutes. Again, later you will pause the video. Tell us all of your likes and dislikes that you can think of. And you can see on the right, tell us about what hobbies do you like. I like to play football. I like to play guitar. Tell us maybe a hobby you don't like. I don't like to ride a bicycle. I lie, but it's funny. Okay, and also tell us about what food you like and what food you don't like. I like ice cream. I don't like tomatoes. Tell us as well about some TV and movies you like. Maybe you like K-pop. Maybe you like rock music. Maybe you like the Avenger movie. Maybe you don't. Tell us what you like and what you dislike. Okay, pause the video now, please. Okay, and continue. Okay,
so here we have some hobbies around the world. So everyone, even you and you have some hobbies. So here we're gonna tell you some hobbies. So the first one is reading a book. You can read like anime. I know I think most of you like to read animes. You can also be reading a news or reading a book.
You could also listen to music. I think everyone likes listening to music. Or playing an instrument. Playing an instrument is where you make music. Like
You play
guitar.
instrument?
Yes, I play guitar. The next one is
watching movie. So I think all of you like to watch movie.
You can watch a movie at the cinema or at home in front of the TV or on your
Not at
computer. Not at school. The next one is sport. A lot of people like sport. It's a very good hobby to have. Keeps you strong and healthy. Next one is
traveling. Traveling can be in another city, can be just in a village, and can be in other country. For this, you can travel by airplane, bus, walking.
To travel means to go somewhere. To go somewhere. And the last one we have is cooking. Cooking, very simple. Everyone likes to cook. Everyone likes to eat. So it's nice to be able to cook. So take 1 minute again, write a sentence. What are the benefits, the good things about having hobbies? And an example is, I like sport. because it keeps me healthy. Okay. Now, here is the last exercise. This is the thinking 2. Now, you all know how to do mind maps. So very simple. Write and draw about everything you learned today. 2 facts about your parents. How many siblings do you have? Do you have a brother, a sister? Maybe you have 3 brothers, 10 sisters?
You have many brothers, huh?
I have 6 brothers.
Oh.
No sisters. Okay. And then describe yourself using 3 adjectives that we just learned. I am happy, I am active, easygoing. What do you think best suits you? Tell us 3 hobbies that you like to do. Do you like to ride a bicycle? Do you like to swim? Maybe you like to do Muay Thai. Okay, and the last one, 2 things that you dislike in your house and how you would change them. In my house, I dislike that my shower needs to be cleaned. But no, something
solution
to clean it, to clean the shower. So there are some things you would like to change in your house. Maybe you dislike that something like you share a room. If you could choose, maybe you would have your own bedroom, something like this, okay? So very simple. You know how to do the mind map. Take 30 minutes now. Use the whole page, not your notebook, the paper. Use all of the page and complete the thinking 2.
Okay. And then we're just going to summarize what you have to do. So the first thing, write the vocabulary from the lesson in English and try to find the meaning in Thai in your notebook. Try to think yourself, like marvelous, what do you think is going to be in Thai? If you don't know, you can use internet, but try first to find yourself with your mind.
Yeah. Think of the meaning of the word and write it in Thai. So then complete the exercises from the lesson in your notebook. You should already have done that, pausing the video as you go. Next, write what you have learned during the lesson in your notebook. Just use your mind, everything you can remember. It's a very good way to learn and to remember all the new words you used in a lesson. Write them all, everything you can remember down after the lesson. And make the mind map.
And the last one, make the mind map, please. Okay. So thank you for listening. Make your homework. We're gonna control it when you come back, and see you for the next lesson. A little magic trick and